Hi everybody and welcome back to Sandin Junction. Bit of a special one tonight. I've been waiting a little while to do it, and what it's about this. Came yesterday and I haven't had a chance to open it yet, so I thought I'd open it with you. Join me now, let's see what's inside. Okay, so what's it all about? Well, this came yesterday and I've had this on order for some time, so quite literally I have no idea what to expect. Well, at least I have some idea, but you're as fresh with it as I am, so this is the first time it's been opened. There's nothing given away by that, except you know that it's obviously a loco or a wagon or coach of some sort. But let's dig deeper. Now it would help if I kept the blade in the knife. Okay, let's go for it. This has been on order for some time, and I've had to wait very patiently and watching all the updates to see where it's got to, but it has finally arrived and I'm really excited. There's just some paraphernalia. I don't know, I think that's nothing to do with it. I think that is purely wadding. I thought something else, but it's not. Maybe, no, I think there's a bit more to it than that. So these are different updates from the company itself. Okay, but still nothing given away. But this does give it away. There we go. From Kernow Model Rail, and it's one of their exclusives, and it's the brand spanking new 1Co-Co1. Now, when I saw this on Wikipedia as being one of the engines, one of the early engines that were developed back in 1949, I believe, and it graced the Southern Lines, built for the Southern Lines, as I understand. And there were three. There was these two built at Ashford, which is why I'm so keen to get this one, because this one also carried the golden arrow emblem, and the other one that was built at Ashford found service further south on the lines. And then a third one was built somewhere else and didn't join the three until much later on in life. So let's just see what we've got. There we go. Now this is not the standard non-sound. I did push the boat out and I ordered a sound version with the sound fitted by Legoman Biffo man. I think that's how it's spelled. Said Legoman Biffo. Sorry, I do apologise. Didn't mean to be rude. I've heard an awful lot about that guy's sound projects, and when I realised that they were putting sound in this one, I felt that I really wanted to push the boat out and get sound. There's quite a complex and detailed. I'm going to put my glasses on for this one. Bear with me. It's a sign of getting older, I'm afraid. But there we are. Okay. So there is a big parts breakdown on here. I have to say I don't fully understand much about it, but I'm guessing that if I had to take this thing apart anytime, I would need that most definitely. There is also a bit of history relating to the 1Co-Co1. This is 10202, and as I said earlier, it's built in 1949, and two of them were built at Ashford Works. So that's really cracking. More instruction sheets relating to it. Body removal. That's quite interesting because, I mean, so many things are left to chance, and this one has got quite a lot of information here, so something to sit and read over a coffee. And there is the I don't know if that will focus at that close, I'm not too sure, but if it doesn't, it's the golden arrow emblem and some nice packaging. I think this packaging is called the ice cube or something ice packaging, but already it looks fantastic. I can't wait. Really heavy model. So there's the blanking plate from the fitting of the sound, and there's some accessories. I need to check out what all that is at a later date. I'm not too sure, but that will go in place at some point. Let's take this out. Now this will not go back in the case, so I'm quite happy to put this to one side, keep that on top along with the paperwork, keep it all very, very handy. What I think I should have done is kept the sound files out, but we'll look back in there in a minute. There we go. I think you have to agree that it is one beautiful example of modelling. It's cracking. Now I'm not sure how much detail is on or left out with this model. I had a talk with Kernow and they said an awful lot of work went into these to make them happen. But yeah, it just looks really good. To a layman it does. I mean, I'm no expert at all, but to me it looks absolutely stunning. And I think you have to agree that it is magnificent. I'm just going to put it down on the rail. Well, there she is. She looks stunning. And as I say, I couldn't wait to see it. I so wanted to unbox it yesterday, but I had no time. And yeah, what can I say? It's a great model. Thank you, Kernow, for producing this. I wish I could have enough money to buy both this one and the sister, but one will have to do, and it will look good on Sounding Junction in the future. Now, I haven't had a look at all the bits and pieces on it as yet, and all the different sound function keys, etc. from the project, but I'm sure I will do. So I'm going to press buttons and hopefully I will get some of the right ones anyway, and if I make it sound silly or don't do it properly, please forgive me for that. Here we go. Now, as I say, I don't know what else buttons to push right now. So getting something out of it that sounds like sound and making it move forward and backwards is probably the best I'm going to get right now. But I think you have to agree that this is an outstanding model, and I'm so very, very pleased that I managed to get one. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you've enjoyed this, please hit the like button and add your comments. They'll be very welcome and always answered. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button now. And for your information, there's another video there and another video there. All the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye for now. Bye.